Hey, it's Daily from Tradetomato, and in this guide, I'll show you how to quickly connect your Bybit account to the Tradetomato platform. Let's get started. Once we've signed into the platform, we'll navigate to the account dropdown and click on Connections. Let's now add a connection. And on the next page, select Live Trading. Under Exchanges, let's choose Bybit. Click Next and accept the terms of use. Be sure to give the connection a unique name. Now let's navigate to Bybit. Go to the account dropdown and select API. Let's create a new API key and ensure it's a system-generated one. From here, under Usage Type, select API Transaction. And let's give our API key a unique name as well. Select Read and Write and tick off Only IPs with Permissions. Let's go back to Tradetomato and copy the IP addresses provided. Paste them in the empty field, separating them with a comma. Once done, let's edit the permissions. Check off Standard Account and under the Spot type, enable Trade. Moving down, do the same for Assets, and under the Exchange type, ensure only Convert and Exchange History is enabled. Click Submit, and proceed by inputting both the security code sent to your email and the authenticator code in their respective fields. Once confirmed, you will have a moment to see your API key and API secret. Copy and paste them on the Tradetomato platform before closing the window. Save your API. And lastly, click on Create. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Bybit Exchange account to Tradetomato. Now you can start automating your trading strategies with ease. Happy trading!